Anywho, here's the new bird of prey once more. Those are the only two stickers on the ship for the Klingon symbol there. But I have a female Mandalorian piloting with Master Chief there behind her. And there's another Mandalorian behind that. And there's more behind there. There's Chopper. And there's the back door that comes down. And let's see if I can turn this around. The clock is ticking. Yes, there's Chomper. I thought he deserved better than the Disney Star Wars. And there's more Klingons abound.